Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 55. Conjunctions. Let's learn English. Conjunction. It is a word that connects other words in a sentence.
Coordinating conjunction. It can connect two groups of words or two sentences. Then, the sentence formed when a coordinating conjunction is used is called compound sentence.
Here are the coordinating conjunctions or can call as fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so.
Here are
some examples
of coordinating conjunctions.
Bert is patiently waiting for Betty, for she promised to bring him treats. The two sentences are: Bert is patiently waiting for Betty, and she promised to bring him treats. Then, the coordinating conjunction is the word for. Betty bought some treats for Bert and food for herself. The two sentences are: Betty bought some treats for Bert and food for herself. Then, the coordinating conjunction is the word and. Matthew and his friends decided to plant seedlings, so they search where to plant it. The two sentences are: Matthew and his friends decided to plant seedlings, and they search where to plant it. Then, the coordinating conjunction is the word so. Martin already planned to travel to Singapore this week, but the weather is not allowing the plane to travel. The two sentences are: Martin already planned to travel to Singapore this week, and the weather is not allowing the plane to travel. Then, the coordinating conjunction is the word but. Subordinating conjunction. It can connect two sentences to form a complex sentence.
Here are some of the subordinating conjunctions. If, because, although, after, when, where, before, so that, and more.
Here are
some examples
of subordinating conjunctions.
This is the place where I found Bert. The two sentences are: This is the place, and I found Bert. Then, the subordinating conjunction is the word where. Martin's mom allowed him to go to the park, since he is in his last year at his school. The two sentences are: Martin's mom allowed him to go to the park, and he is in his last year at his school. Then, the subordinating conjunction is the word since. Though Matthew studied hard for his exam, he didn't get a perfect score. The two sentences are: Matthew studied hard for his exam, and he didn't get a perfect score. Then, the subordinating conjunction is the word though. Betty went to the flower shop before she went straight to surprise her mom. The two sentences are: Betty went to the flower shop, and she went straight to surprise her mom. Then, the subordinating conjunction is the word before. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Complete the following sentences using an appropriate subordinating conjunction.
Number 1. We will be going to New York. The weather is good enough to travel.
Letter A. When. Letter B. Whenever. Letter C. Where.
The answer is, letter A. When. We will be going to New York when the weather is good enough to travel.
Number 2. My mom got furious. My little sister covers her ears.
Letter A. Whenever. Letter B. Where. Letter C. Before.
The answer is, letter A. Whenever. Whenever my mom got furious, my little sister covers her ears.
Number 3. You should tell your coach that you're not going to the meeting. He will be informed.
Letter A. Where. Letter B. So that. Letter C. After.
The answer is, letter B. So that. You should tell your coach that you're not going to the meeting so that he will be informed.
Number 4. Kara didn't like to pack her things. It's time to go.
Letter A. After. Letter B. Before. Letter C. Until.
The answer is, letter B. Until. Kara didn't like to pack her things until it's time to go.
Number 5. One of the magical events in our lives is, we are born.
Letter A. Whenever. Letter B. When. Letter C. Where.
The answer is, letter B. When. One of the magical events in our lives is when we are born.
Number 6. You're keeping me, I am happy.
Letter A. If. Letter B. As long as. Letter C. When.
The answer is, letter B. As long as. As long as you're keeping me, I am happy.
Number 7. You go boating. Don't forget to put your life jacket.
Letter A. Where. Letter B. Until. Letter C. When.
The answer is, letter C. When. When you go boating, don't forget to put your life jacket.
Number 8. You get mad at her, always remember the good deeds she did.
Letter A. When. Letter B. After. Letter C. Before.
The answer is, letter C. Before. Before you get mad at her, always remember the good deeds she did.
Number 9. The project engineer smiled. He entered the office.
Letter A. Where. Letter B. If. Letter C. As soon as.
The answer is, letter C. As soon as. The project engineer smiled as soon as he entered the office.
Number 10. Washing her teddy bear, Deanna went to her friends.
Letter A. After. Letter B. When. Letter C. As soon as.
The answer is, letter A. After. After washing her teddy bear, Deanna went to her friends.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Complete the sentence with the correct coordinating conjunction.
Number 1. Claire is going with us. Her mom doesn't know about the trip.
The answer is, but. Claire is going with us, but her mom doesn't know about the trip.
Number 2. I was not allowed to go out. I was grounded for a week.
The answer is, 4. I was not allowed to go out, for I was grounded for a week.
Number 3. The prosecutor gathered information at the suspect's house. He also interviewed the suspect's co-worker.
The answer is, and. The prosecutor gathered information at the suspect's house and he also interviewed the suspect's co-worker.
Number 4. The prowler almost got everything from our house. Our dog barked at them.
The answer is, but. The prowler almost got everything from our house but our dog barked at them.
Number 5. Mrs. Morris loves to go to the farm. Her asthma is not allowing her to go there.
The answer is, but. Mrs. Morris loves to go to the farm, but her asthma is not allowing her to go there.
Number 6. The builders worked the whole week. The company didn't pay their fare.
The answer is, yet. The builders worked the whole week, yet the company didn't pay their fare.
Number 7. I saw a hungry puppy on the street. I gave him food.
The answer is, so. I saw a hungry puppy on the street, so I gave him food.
Number 8. He doesn't like to attend the party. The camping.
The answer is, nor. He doesn't like to attend the party, nor the camping.
Number 9. I love going to different places. I hate riding on the bus.
The answer is, but. I love going to different places, but I hate riding on a bus.
Number 10. The weather is quite gloomy today. I will spend my day on bed.
The answer is, so. The weather is quite gloomy today, so I will spend my day on bed.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.